So students, continuing with our chapter atoms and molecule, your next topic is molecules. In the earlier video we had studied about the atoms, that what are atoms, what are the theories behind the atoms. Now we are going to discuss about the molecules. So students, basically atoms of all the elements except for the noble gases are very reactive, and also they do not because of this they cannot exist in the free state. They are found in combined state, and or either in the form of ions or in the form of molecules. Okay, so basically what is a molecule? So the correct definition for a molecule is the smallest unit of a pure substance which can always exist independently and can retain all the properties of it. Okay, is called a molecule. Okay, so a molecule is the smallest unit of a substance which can always exist in independent form, or it can retain all the properties of it. Okay, it can have all the properties of it. For example, here we can take the example of H2O. H2O is nothing but your water. Okay, in this case you can see that there are two elements, one is hydrogen and one is oxygen, and here we can see that two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen makes water. Okay, so we can say in this form that a molecule of water is formed by the two atoms of by combining the two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Okay, this is how one molecule of water is formed, and this one molecule of water will consist the properties or all the common properties of the elements of the water. Means even a single molecule of water will retain the property of water. It will contain all the properties of water. Okay, the other molecules are, for example, your hydrogen, then nitrogen, oxygen. Okay, then your NaCl. Okay, and this you can say that two atoms of hydrogen make one hydrogen molecule, or you can say here two atoms of nitrogen make one nitrogen molecule, two atoms of oxygen make one oxygen molecule, and one atom of sodium, this Na is sodium. Okay, one atom of sodium and one atom of chlorine, this Cl is chlorine. Okay, so one atom of sodium and one atom of chlorine make your sodium chloride molecule. Okay, so this is how a molecule is formed. So molecule is basically formed by combining the different atoms. Okay, and in different proportion we can have by combining the atoms in different proportion we can have different kinds of molecules. Okay,